Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sylvia. I hope you're all doing amazing, apart from the fact that we are all freezing. I'm not sure how it is going rest of the parts of India, but for my hometown, it gets cold every year, but this year the winter had almost disappeared and then it reappeared. So what I'm getting at is, when it is so cold outside, आप लोगों के दिल में क्या आता है that actually keeps you warm apart from sweaters? So for me, it's either a cup of hot chocolate, some coffee or some tea. So in today's vlog, we're going to talk about a few tea that I really like to consume during winters, and we're going to talk about it in details. But before we do that, if this is your first time watching my channel, I post weekly videos on lifestyle, styling and makeup, food and travel, and if these contents interest you, then do consider subscribing. All you need to do is to hit that little subscribe button underneath and also press that little bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload. So let's get into the video. Guys, winters में चाय एक ऐसी चीज़ है which everybody connects to, especially in India. I think every time is a tea time. I am a big lover of tea, and like मुझे कोई रात के 3 बजे भी उठा के ये बोल दे कि चाय पीना है तो मैं कभी ना नहीं बोल सकती है. And I mostly like tea with milk and sugar and all those spices. Like it's so close to my heart. Right now, like I mentioned in my last video, I'm trying to lose weight, so I've cut down on sugar, and this was actually one of the resolutions that I took this year on New Year. I'm not a big fan of sweeteners, let me tell you that. Like stevia or saccharin is not something I look forward to. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो sweetener लेने से अच्छा है कि मैं एक चम्मच चीनी खा लूँ, भले ही मैं वो कम दिनों के लिए खाऊँ. Like if I had to consume saccharin on an everyday basis, I'd rather not have the saccharin. I'd rather have like 1 teaspoon of sugar in a week. That is my idea. Everybody's fitness ideas are different. So because मैं वो टाइप की चाय नहीं पी पा रही थी, I wanted to have something which I can have without sugar. So mostly black tea. मेरी कुछ favorite brands अगर मैं बोलूँ, वो Tetley हो गया, Twinings हो गए, फिर there is also this very famous one, Typhoo. Then there is Dilma. Like I still have a container. Wait, I'll show you. So this one. Recently, I came across one of the very amazing tea brand on Amazon, and so the first one that I had ordered was this. Like, can you see how beautiful the packaging is? And it looks so royal and classy. So the first one, actually my sister had ordered this, and it was called the Rose Black. So it's a black tea with rose infused. I'm going to leave a picture. I have run out of it, like I don't have it anymore. But because I loved this so much, I ended up ordering a couple more. So this one is a Kashmiri Kahwa. I haven't opened it yet. And then I also ordered this. So why I did not open this is because I wanted to show you. So these retail on Amazon for a price range of 279 to 399. Now apparently what I didn't like was that this is a gift wrap. I really hoped that because this is the normal packaging. Now all of these tea variants, they come in this black box as well, and this is the regular packaging, and this one is like the premium packaging. However, on discount they were both on same price, but it said that if you want it in a gift wrap, and this is what I got. So that was a little disappointing, but apart from that, the flavor, the aroma of these tea is surprisingly amazing. Like I have tried, like I mentioned, so many tea around the world, but nothing compares to this. Like this could any day beat I would say Typhoo or like, you know, like the leading tea brands like Twinings or whatever. So this is called the Tea Heaven and Premium Indian Tea. So yeah, this is India's tea. I have tried Kashmiri Kahwa, which is actually the pink tea. No, that is Kashmiri tea or Kashmiri Kahwa. I'm not sure. There was also this little sample tea bag that you get, like a tea sachet that you get with all of these tea packets. I'm going to show you how you brew this tea and how beautiful this turns out. So the rose tea, whenever I used to brew it, the petals would just, you know, mellow down, and the aroma of rose was so intriguing. And as a matter of fact, rose is known as antidepressant. So anytime you're feeling low, a cup of that will actually make you like feel amazing. Best way to brew them is black, like you should not be adding any milk. That is how you get the authentic aroma of the tea, and that is the reason I ordered all of that. So this helps me have my tea, but also doesn't make me want to have it brewed with milk and sugar. So I'm going to open The box is very, very pretty. Okay, it comes with a little note. Let me read it. Okay, so what is good about, they also have email address. I'm going to leave that below if you want to send any complaints. So it says helpdesk@theteaheaven.com. there's also a mobile number that you can write to. They also have their website, how to brew your perfect cup of tea. So it's black, 100 ml of water, 90 to 95 degrees Celsius, 2.5 grams, steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. And if you want to have green or wellness, you can also have it like for milk tea. Mix 1 portion of milk, 2 portions of water and boil. Add tea leaves and sugar later. You can have it with tea as well, but I think this is best enjoyed black. So here it says, share your love for tea with the Tea Heaven by tagging us at Tea Heaven on Instagram and Facebook and get 15% on your next order. I'm sure that's not for all the orders, but I think it's based on the choice, where if they like your post, maybe. Okay, so I have a little note. I don't know. Okay, so she or he is the founder of Tea Heaven. So the note says, dear tea lover, I'm Harshada Bansal and I'm ecstatic to welcome you into my little piece of heaven. The Tea Heaven is my attempt to bring India's freshest tea to the world with the added medicinal benefit of Indian spices, herbs and flowers. Each cup of tea from the Tea Heaven is delightfully fresh with a hint of natural energy, just like how I remember from my childhood. Amazing. Open our package and you will be welcomed with the freshest aroma of tea leaves from the northeast. It is actually very true. Like, even this smells like spices, honestly. This is because we take special attention to ensure that every pack of the Tea Heaven is fresh, free from moisture, oxygen and light. From procuring the tea to the packaging, supply to storage, you can see for yourself how we are unique. Thank you once again for choosing the Tea Heaven and be back for more. Here's to making tea more than just a beverage. Cheers, Harshada Bansal, the founder Tea Heaven. Okay, that is incredibly sweet of the founder. I'm sure this is not a personalized message, but even then I do acknowledge the fact that he or she has taken some time and put this note with each of that packaging. It is incredibly sweet and a very, very honest gesture. So I'm going to show you the tea. I really hope that this looks just like the rose one because I'm really excited. Wow. Wow, you guys, this is so beautiful. You can see this is so beautiful and incredible. Like, this doesn't look like tea to me. Wow, the aroma. There are big chunks of spices. There is elaichi, there is dalchini or cardamom and cinnamon sticks. There is rose petals. The thing is, I really cannot see the saffron. And what is this? This looks like almond to me. Oh yeah, that's almond. Really, really intensely spiced almond. Beautiful. I'm so happy for this. I have had tea experiences. I keep repeating this, but this is really special. Let's open the other one. The only request is that I would want it to be, beautifully packed. These are perfect gifts for all your tea lover friends. This is also very, very beautiful, and this is the masala chai. And I think this one is perfect for winter. Even for that matter, the Kashmiri Kahwa is actually amazing to keep you warm. While the rose, if you just want to order the rose tea, I think that is also very soothing during summers. It's really refreshing. They also have a couple more variants. In my previous video, one of you asked me on my Instagram account if I have a coupon code for the products that I'm telling you about. My channel is not yet ready for monetization, unfortunately. For that, I need at least 1,000 subscribers and 240,000 minutes of watch hours. That's the reason I keep asking you guys to share the videos, share this with your friends and family. Help me reach the monetization phase so I can actually get in touch with these companies and probably help you find the coupons that you guys are looking for. But as of now, these are not sponsored videos. I'm just sharing these with you because I love these products and I think these are good value for money and you can also enjoy, because why not, Let's open this one. Can you see? It's like an airtight jars just to maintain the freshness, and the grip is amazing. really nice. What is very, very surprising is that they managed to keep each and every aroma so different. Like, the other one is Kashmiri Kahwa, it has a lot of spices, but these two, like, even, you know, when you go to a perfume shop and you smell a lot of perfumes, you cannot tell the difference. I can distinctly tell you the difference. Like, this is so different. So this one is mostly with tinier, this doesn't have any rose petals, so this has a lot of spices. See that? Can you see that? I think this one would be a better fit for a masala tea if you want to brew it with milk. But yeah, you can have it black as well. So I'm going to show you how to make the tea. I think I'm going to try the Kashmiri Kahwa. That looked more intriguing to me. So let's make this. I'm really excited for this one. Let's go. So first things first, we're going to need a pan. I'm going to add some water. There's no measuring, it's just eyeball. It's already smoking. We're going to turn off the flame. So I'm using a French press. This is not mandatory. You can definitely put the tea directly into that and then brew it. I just like doing it this because, you know, you can measure how much strong or like light you want the tea to be. So I am going to install this. This is how it looks. I use this a lot for all my green tea and everything. So we're going to try this one. Again, I'm going to eyeball it. I don't have any particular measurement. I like my tea really, really light. If you like it strong, you can add more. So I'm going to put about this much, and believe me you guys, 100 ml of this tea lasts you a very, very long time. Like, see the tea guys, I'm going to show you a close-up. Like, can you see? This is so beautiful. Now I'm going to let the tea be in there, and I'm going to pour the hot water over it. And I'm going to let this tea, don't press it down yet because the tea needs to brew. I'm going to let it be like that for a while, let's say for 2 to 3 minutes like the instruction says, and then we're going to press it down. So here I am guys, and this almost looks brewed. So the thing is that if you look very closely, the bottom part of this doesn't have a strainer. So once you're happy with the brewing, like for me, I like a little light sort of a tea, and my mom likes it a little more brewed. So what I like to do is I'm just going to simply press this down so it pushes all the tea leaves to the bottom, and this stops the brewing process. Now for my tea cup, I am using a smaller cup, used only this tiny amount of a palm candy, and I'm going to pour the tea into this. Wow, like the aroma is so good. This is like enjoying a cup of Kashmiri tea at the comfort of your own home. This is so beautiful. So let me give it a taste. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. I have never been to Kashmir apart from the fact when SpiceJet used to land, you know, from Delhi, Srinagar, Delhi, Srinagar, Delhi. That is the only time I've ever been to Kashmir. But I've seen the wadis from the aircraft, and I've seen the places around the airport. So the landscape is just beautiful. It's snowing everywhere. It's perfect. And this actually feels like bringing Kashmir to your place. Alright guys, so that's about today's video. I really cannot help indulge in this right now. So as I sit here and enjoy my tea, take your time to explore the options. I'm going to leave all the links down below. Also, if you have never seen how tea is processed, I have a video on my channel. I'm going to leave the link to that as well in my description box. Check that out. It's a process you don't want to miss out on. Share this video with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about this, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.